Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to meet a very special sea animal. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's an octopus. Yay! An octopus lives under the sea, deep down in the water. It hides in rocks and caves to stay safe. And guess what? Octopuses are really good at hiding. They can even change colors. Isn't that cool? Do you know what an octopus eats? They like to eat crabs, shrimp, and small fish. Wow! That's a lot of arms. Now let's color our happy octopus together. I colored the head of octopus as red, so shiny and fun. Now time to color the arms. Green. Each arm can be a different color. Orange. Purple. Yellow. Dark blue. Light blue. Let's make it a rainbow octopus. Don't forget the little round suckers under the arms. Let's color them pink. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.